Ladies and gentlemen, the world's best smoothie brought to you by Patrick Wells. Patrick begins by grabbing the strawberries. Remember that we offer both a strawberry and a pineapple smoothie. Also notice he's wearing his gloves and his mask. Use sanitation. We're gonna get a real close visual here on the amount of both fruit and liquid. Okay, check the fruit out. You'll see it's coming almost to the top there, but it's not overflowing the cup. He's gonna put that into the blender. Now, he's going to grab a liquid. You can use any liquid in the smoothie. He's using lemonade. That's a pretty popular one. You can also use orange juice. Let's check out the amount that he is using. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. That's the amount that Patrick's going to use on the smoothie. Get a visual there. He's going to pour that in. These are the two components. That is it. You've got your liquid and you've got your frozen fruit. Note that he put that lid on secure and into the blender it goes. It's going to fit securely and he's going to press number 1. The machine will start slow at first and then it will pick up speed. Then it will stop partway through and then finish strong, just like all of us attempt to do in life. You'll also notice that Patrick is putting everything away while the smoothie's going. You don't want to leave the frozen fruit on the counter. And the cup that he used to measure the fruit is the same cup the smoothie will be served in. There's the final burst of speed. Last couple seconds, and the smoothie is done. Now, if done correctly, the consistency of the smoothie will be nice and thick, not too liquidy. And there you have it. Notice he's sort of tapping it on the counter, which is fine. The thicker smoothie is preferred over the super thin one. In this case, he could have used maybe a smidge more liquid, but it's okay. No one complains over a thick smoothie. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The world's best smoothie, brought to you by Patrick Wells.